Stop the vehicle. License and registration, please. License and registration. Yes, officer. Here. What in the world? It's my hobby.
Tops, let's get them. Hey!
Hey, what's all this? Kids and their toys. Here, officer. This spins great. Interesting. Let me see. Watch this.
Oh,
Impressive.
it fell over.
All right, one more try. There you go.
Wow, look how fast they're spinning. Look,
They're really good at this.
one fell over.
Ha ha ha! Go on, you're clear. Thanks, officer. Closing up now.